What use is an F-call? For most of us, amateur radio is a hobby. It might not be your only one, but if your time allocation is anything like mine, this one seems to grow in its scope and reach every day. During the week I was talking to a friend who had no idea about amateur radio, no notion other than, "Isn't that the ham radio thing that did Morse and has been superseded by the internet?" she asked. It was a very loaded question, but I pointed at recent natural disasters where radio amateurs acted as the local backbone, the glue that makes it possible for information to travel great distances when all other services are gone. No roads, no phones, no nothing. Of course, as an amateur you already know this, but it seems that the general public has no idea whatsoever. I pointed out that even the most basic license helps me understand antennas, know when a TV antenna is pointing in the wrong direction and why, know how to make an indoor Wi-Fi connection work better, and best of all, it keeps challenging me into learning new things. I mentioned that for a radio connection to work, two devices are required, my radio and their radio. Compare and contrast this with an internet connection or a mobile phone connection, which requires many different devices, all of which must work. I'm sure I've talked about this phenomenon before, but somehow every time I bump into someone who doesn't know about amateur radio, I get surprised all over again. What kind of things take you by surprise? I'm Onno, VK6FLAB.